Hi everyone, MMD here, your Miss Universe Philippines 2023, and I'm here to tour you around Surge Fitness Lifestyle. But before we get started with that, I just wanted to say a quick hello to one of my favorite chefs here in the Philippines, Chef Val. Hello, hello. Mwah. Of course, she is an expert in her own right. She is just chilling at Tasty Habit, the only habit that you should not break. So over here, you'll see the wonderful and beautiful receptionist. Hello. Thank you. So we are here at Surge Junior. This is an amazing amenity that Surge Fitness Lifestyle has, because if you're a mom and you have kids and you don't know what to do with them while you work out, they definitely have you covered, because they have a wide variety of things that your children can do, from a projector setup to a playground. Your kids will not be bored when they're here at Surge Fitness Lifestyle. You can work out in peace. So one of the most amazing things, and something that actually makes Surge Fitness Lifestyle stand out, is all of the amenities that they have. Behind me, you'll see that there's actually a billiards table and a bowling alley. Let's not forget chess. Over here, we have our co-working space. So this is where I work or, answer some emails before or after a quick workout. So I love that it's just so open. Of course, here to my left, you'll see a very, very big studio. So this is where all of their classes happen, group classes, personal training. Over here, you can do yoga, dance fitness, and Zumba, and many, many more classes that I'm sure you will enjoy. Thank you, thank you. And oh my gosh, one of my favorite features here at Surge Fitness Lifestyle is also this ROX cage. So if you want just an alternative way to do your cardio, this is a very fun and interactive and high-tech, just piece of equipment that is only found here. Of course, we have the gym area, state-of-the-art equipment. Everything that you might possibly need is available here. But of course, when you lift weights, you also need to do cardio. And one of my favorite cardio activities is cycling. And Surge Fitness Lifestyle has its very own cycling studio. Perfect for all of your cardio needs. You'll have a coach, you have fun, interactive classes with a whole group. And of course, the lights are always a good motivation to just keep you in that mood. So, big, huge open space for you to just do whatever you want. For me personally, I just want to get another extra sweat in. So my favorite thing is this. Okay, so in here is where you will find the sauna. But before you get there, you will see a very bright locker room. So if you have personal belongings, things that you just want secure, then you have that available here. Of course, as you notice, it's very well lit. So after a workout, us women love putting our makeup on, so they have that taken care of for you. Over here, this is where you will find the sauna. You will see two types of saunas. This is an infrared sauna. Actually has very amazing fragrance. But also over here is the steam sauna. Ooh, also very cozy. Cardio is your best friend. So we have our cardio station here with the Stairmaster, the air runners, and just state-of-the-art treadmills that you can utilize at your disposal. And then, like I mentioned, we have state-of-the-art gym equipment as well, which you will surely enjoy. So we are stepping in the area where you can actually do a lot of CrossFit exercises, but one of the amazing things that Surge Fitness Lifestyle offers is the VR classes. So it's so fun. I've never ever seen another gym have this kind of facility and this kind of training. It's just a fun way to just get moving. And there you have it, just a very quick tour on what Surge Fitness Lifestyle has to offer you. So if you want to know how I prepare for Miss Universe, then you definitely know where to find me. But if you're wondering where else you can find Surge Fitness Lifestyle, they actually have 2 branches in Makati, 2 branches down south, 2 branches in Quezon City, and of course, I just toured you around their flagship branch here at Estancia Mall. So I really hope that I can see you here at Surge Fitness Lifestyle, and see you soon.